Okay everyone, so in this tutorial, how to permanently delete your Facebook account in 2022. Alright, so to do this, just open up your Facebook application, and after that we're gonna go up to the top right corner and click on these three lines. Now go all the way down to this one, Settings and Privacy, and just click on this one, Settings. Go to Personal and Account Information. Go to this one, Account Ownership and Control. Click on Deactivation and Deletion. So now you have two options. You can deactivate the account if you want to keep your Messenger, or click on Delete Account to delete everything, Messenger and Facebook. So in this tutorial we're gonna click on Delete Account. After that go to Continue to Account Deletion. And just choose a reason. Go and click on Continue to Account Deletion. Alright, so before you delete, you can still just deactivate if you want to keep your Messenger. And you can just go and download information so you don't lose any data. And you can do a lot of things depending on your own preferences. And after that, just go and click on Delete Account. Enter your password and continue and confirm. So you still have the options to recover your Facebook account if you log into your account within 30 days. After that, your Facebook account will permanently be deleted. Okay everyone, so comment below if this worked out for you. Also check out my other videos. Have an awesome day. Take care and bye.